My name's Lucy Green and I do Level 3 Public Services. Some of the things we learn on the course are government and politics, citizenship, map and compass at the moment, and the fitness elements to it as well. The tutors on our course are really nice and they're always willing to help, and they're actually quite funny and I get along with them quite well. And I know they're always there for us if we need them. The Remembrance Parade, in the first year we did a march and like a whole service for it, and the whole college watched us do the marching. And obviously for the second year it's a bit different because of COVID, but we still kind of did a service as best as we could, and it was recorded and then posted on YouTube for everyone to watch. So at the beginning of the first year of the course, we went on an induction camp, which we went to PGL and Thorpe Park, and it was really good because we got to know everyone and it brought us a lot closer. After this year, I plan on doing the Outdoor Adventurous Activities course, which is a new course they brought in, and then after I finish that, I'm planning to possibly go travelling and maybe volunteer in a different country, possibly Africa, maybe helping in the schools and stuff like that. I think you should study here because the teachers are really welcoming and they care about what they're teaching.